Hi, I would like to help you today with graphic quadratic function, which is an equation of the parabola shown in the accompanying diagram. You have a parabola and it opens downward. If you have a parabola like this means the coefficient of the x squared from those choices here, the coefficient of the x squared is going to be negative. It cannot be positives. C and D, their parabola is going to look like this. It's not really accurate, but it's going to look like this, and you're going to have a minimum in C and D. So C and D will not work. Choice is either A or B. Number 2 is the y-intercept. In this case is positive 3. That's the y-intercept where x equals to 0. Both of them have positive 3. So this is not an issue here. Let's think about the something else. There are 2 or 3 ways you can solve this one without a calculator. You can factor it if you would like, but in this tutorial here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute this coordinate and this coordinate for y. This coordinate here is -1 and 0. And this one is 3 and 0. This means when x equals 3, the value of y is 0. And when x equals to -1, the value of y equals 0. Let's try choice A. Y equals, we're going to substitute -1 for x. So be careful when you substitute. This is negative, open parentheses, -1 to the power of 2 plus 2 times -1 plus 3. This equals the negative sign, you put it down here. -1 squared is +1. You have it here, so the final is -1 in this case, and on the first term. Second term, actually not positive, it should be negative. So on the second one, 2 times -1 is -2 plus 3. -1 and the -2 is -3. -3 plus 3 equals 0. So the first point, -1 and 0 works. Let's try the second point, 3 and 0. So we're still in choice A. We are still in choice A. Y equals, we're going to substitute 3 for x. So you have -3 for x. And always put the substitution inside the parentheses like what I do here, the same thing like I do here. Plus 2 times 3 plus 3. That's going to be -3 squared is 9 plus 6 plus 3. Let's see now. -9. Okay, let's do this. +6 and +3 is +9 minus 9 equals 0. So that is working, which tells us that choice A is the correct choice. When you substitute 3 for x, you get 0 for y. When you substitute -1 for x, you get 0 for y. To confirm, let's try choice B here. Is y equals, put the question mark, let's try the -1. So that is -1 squared minus 2 times -1 plus 3. This equals -1 squared is 1. -2 times -1 is +2 plus 3. +2 and +3 is +5 minus 1 equals +4. It does not work. The y must equals to 0. So that's it. If it does not satisfy one condition, this means this is not the right choice. Okay, so the correct choice is A. Work well.